Datavideo is known for designing and manufacturing high-quality, reliable video production equipment. My name is Adam Levitt, and I'm a Business Development Manager for Datavideo. We specialise in end-to-end live video solutions that make professional-style broadcasting accessible to everyone. Partnerships between manufacturers like Datavideo and Sennheiser allow us to combine strengths from different fields, ensuring every solution is innovative, reliable, and fully compatible. The collaboration between Datavideo and Sennheiser merges 40 years of live video production excellence with world-class audio innovation, offering customers an unmatched audiovisual experience. I'd describe the customer benefits in a few keywords: trust, compatibility, quality, and automation. We've integrated Sennheiser's TCC series ceiling microphones and SpeechLine wireless systems with our PTZ cameras and live video switchers to deliver fully automated conferencing solutions. Customers choose our combined solution because it brings together state-of-the-art Sennheiser audio and Datavideo automation for crystal clear sound and high-quality, intelligent automated video, scalable for deployments of any size. Our modular ecosystem supports everything from small meeting rooms to large multi-camera collaborative spaces. By combining our full PTZ camera lineup with both broadcast-grade baseband and affordable IP-based switchers, Datavideo delivers flexible, reliable solutions for any meeting or learning space. Our standardized solution empowers integrators to deliver consistent, high-level video performance in AV spaces of every scale. Through our partnership, 4 decades of video innovation meet industry-leading audio, bringing broadcast excellence to AV.